It's definitely what I think it is. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brianna. If you're new here, thanks for coming. If you're old here, thanks for coming again. Today is Friday, the Friday before Christmas break. And I know all educators can relate to what I'm feeling right now. And also I'm kind of hot, so that's why I'm kind of breathing a little hard. So I got my ugly Christmas sweater on. It says Santa saw your Instagram or something like that. Got that on, and I got this jacket on because I'm about to ready and go in a second. We just got done with our Secret Santa gift exchange, and now we're just waiting to go home. So I'll talk to y'all later. Hey y'all, I'm back at home now, and I got a package today. And if it's what I think it is, I'm really excited. So let's open it up. It's definitely what I think it is. Y'all, and this came real fast. If it is, it sure is. So I ordered this, I think, Monday or Tuesday. And it's Friday and it's here. My cap and gown. Y'all. It's crazy. Wow. And my hood is in here too. Oops, I dropped my tassel. It got 2021 on here though. I'm not necessarily sure why, because I graduated in 2020. So I might send that back, but it's okay. And this is my hood. I'll probably hold it up on. Shoot, how did this thing even come on, to be honest? Y'all, it is so cute. And then here's the hat. Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm gonna try a hat on. The gown looks like it's gonna fit perfectly. Okay. Probably shouldn't wear this wig. Okay, probably not gonna even fit. It'll fit when I got some lipstick hair on, but yeah, it's crazy. And I'm planning on taking some type of senior pictures in these, because you know, with 2020 and the uncertainty of everything, we don't know if we're gonna have a graduation. It's supposed to be in May, but you know, things can change. Let me figure out how to put this on. Okay, so the brown part is supposed to be in the front, something like that, and then that in the back. I probably still got this all wrong because I don't even know what this little string is for, but I'll figure it out before it's time to take pictures. I feel so official, y'all. I lied. It actually did have a 2020 piece in there. So I just switched the 2021 off. But y'all, it's so cute. So cute. Dang, my stomach just growled real loud. Cannot wait to wear this and take pictures in it and get my diploma and all that. So happy. She need a little steam though, but she okay. So I'm really just now realizing I really haven't explained to y'all much about my journey to get my master's degree. So after graduating from Harvard in 2018, I went to FSU in August of 2018 to study sports psychology. And I studied sports psychology from August 2018 to May of 2019. I love the program, had a great time studying there, being in Tallahassee. But I just remember on the first day of school, I kept asking myself, why am I here? And I didn't know why I was feeling that way, because I knew I liked sports and I knew I liked psychology. So combining them both just seemed like the ideal thing. And I had always dreamed of working in the NBA or the NFL one day, and that seemed like the perfect way to kind of ease my way into there. But you know, things are often more difficult than we dream of. But that didn't really bother me much. But the thing that did bother me was that I had already published my first book by then and was pretty much almost done with the second book. And being in grad school studying something that wasn't writing just kind of made me sad a little bit, because I realized like I was so passionate about writing. And my first semester at FSU and even my second semester too, I felt like I didn't spend as much time writing as I would have liked. And it just dawned on me one day, literally, I don't know if this is TMI, but a lot of things dawn on me when I'm on the toilet. I feel like God speaks to me a lot when I'm on the toilet, because I feel like that's when my mind is most clear and I'm not really worried about much else. So yeah, I might cut that part out, but I'm just being honest. So it was just like, I just feel like God was asking me like, why am I spending so much time working on plan B when I can be pursuing plan A instead? Plan A being a writing career, because that's truly what I felt like I would be doing long term and what would make me most content. I think that was when I first realized like, dang, I really could be doing this writing stuff full time and chasing my literal dream instead of chasing a dream that I thought I was supposed to be chasing. That's when I kind of started second guessing my journey, and I was like, maybe I shouldn't even be here. And I started to ask myself, why didn't I apply to a writing program instead? It just seemed like studying something else that wasn't writing was a safer choice. And so that's what I went with. I was at church one day, and then the pastor was like, I think he said something along the lines of, if God has called you to write that book, write that book. And I was like, Basically, he was just kind of telling us, if God's called you to do something, do it. Just do it. Like, no matter what reservations we have, no matter if we know all the answers or not, because we probably don't know all the answers. And then shortly after that sermon, that same day, I was just randomly scrolling on Facebook like I'm always doing. And then this advertisement popped up for the Emerson College MFA program in pop fiction writing and publishing, which is kind of what I figured I would want to study if I did study writing. And I was like, shoot, that's like crazy timing that this would just randomly pop on my timeline at this moment when I felt like God was trying to lead me somewhere else. So I looked more into the program and applied like almost instantly. And then when I heard back from them, it was a few weeks before I was supposed to begin my fall semester at FSU. And I was like, hold on, like forget this. Like I have to study something else. I have to study writing now. It's just like it all just was just coming together. Like I just had to do it at that moment, because at first I was like, I feel like it took a few weeks for me to hear back from Emerson. So I was kind of getting discouraged. I was thinking maybe this isn't what God was really calling me to do. So I was praying to him. I was like, I need an answer tomorrow, or am I going to be pursuing this MFA? He literally answered me right after, because that's when I got my acceptance. And I was like, God, I see you. So I knew that was gonna be the choice for me. And then here comes me. I had to tell mom and dad. Dad, he was like, that's what God's telling you to do it. Mom, she was a little more skeptical. And, you know, I be expecting that sometimes. My parents, they both respond differently to certain things. And, you know, that's just how they are. But they always support me no matter what. And that's one thing like I really appreciate. Starting over was totally worth it because it wasn't wasted time because it was what God was calling me to do all along. So all the worries and stuff that I had about it just didn't even matter at that point. My first semester studying online because the Emerson program is fully online. It was different, and I feel like I was learning so much, and it's like it sparked a different passion in me. Just studying writing and just learning from other writers and connecting with other writers, being a part of a community of writers. It was just something that I had been longing for and didn't even know I was longing for. I just knew that was what God was calling me to do, and that's how I ended up in this program. Now that I'm looking back on it, if I would have stayed with the program, I probably would have graduated in May of 2020. But now I'm graduating in December of 2020, so they really only put me a couple months behind schedule. It really all worked out because, I mean, it hasn't been easy, but it's definitely been worth it. And I was even worried about like the whole timeline of things again, like earlier this year, because I played myself and I was waiting to the last minute to handle like all my financial aid stuff, and missed out on, because I wanted to take 3 classes in the spring and I ended up only being able to take 1 because by the time I had my financial aid all secure and stuff, all the classes were booked. So I was like, dang, this put me behind. So I was thinking I'm gonna have to graduate in 2021, which is what I really didn't want to do. But everything worked out and I'm graduating slightly early still, because they say people who do this program, it takes 5 or more semesters to graduate. And I've been in a program, I think 4 semesters. Fall 2019, spring 2020, I did summer, and I did 4. I did 4 semesters because I took summer classes as well. So it's just, I don't know, y'all. Like, it really worked out. I just want to spend so much time just really perfecting my craft within the next year. Like 2021, like I want to be on it. I want to be consistent in my writing. I want to grow. I want to connect with other writers. I want to finish some great stories and just set myself up to have a great writing career. Given all the things that God's been calling me to do lately, I trust that He's going to take care of all of that. And I'm not saying I'm not scared at all, because I definitely have some fears and doubts that are eating me up. But I trust God and what He's doing, because He knows better than I do. Well, that was kind of a long summary of what led me to this MFA program. But if y'all have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you all for tuning in with me and just letting me share my life with y'all. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And make sure you hit subscribe and that bell notification thing so you can get the notification when I post again tomorrow for Vlogmas Day. I think Vlogmas Day 18 is tomorrow. Oh shoot, Vlogmas Day 18 is today. Vlogmas Day 19. We almost done. Ooh, I can't wait. Like, I love recording, but I need a break because this consistently posting every day, it's a lot for a sister. But anyway, y'all, thanks for watching, and I will see y'all again tomorrow.